Hello everyone, we are Parallel Pipes Construction presenting to you our Escondido Pipe Crossing project. Meet our team. Here we have Ari, our construction engineer, Allison, our transportation engineer, Caleb, our structural engineer, Charlie, our geotechnical engineer, Madison, our construction engineer, and myself, Tiffany, the project manager and structural engineer. The City of Escondido is implementing a new pipeline to the existing Hale Avenue Resource Recovery Facility to provide treated wastewater to avocado farms. Avocado farms are a staple of the City of Escondido's economy, and because of this, Parallel Pipes Construction has been working to determine and implement the most efficient way for the pipeline to cross Escondido Creek. The two alternatives that we have evaluated were to jack and bore underneath the creek to place the pipe, or to construct a pipe bridge. We have determined that the alternative that is best suited to the needs of the City of Escondido and its citizens is to design and construct a pipe bridge that also serves as a pedestrian bridge. To do this, we plan on extending the existing sidewalk by 3 feet over the canal and placing the pipe underneath this extension. In the video, you can see a general model of what the bridge will look like.
First and foremost, due to Section 404 of the Clean Water Act, the pipeline when crossing Greedy Creek must avoid complete contact with the channel during construction and operation. Agencies involved in this project will include primarily the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, the San Diego Regional Water Quality Control Board, and the California Department of Fish and Game.
Here's site logistics for the jack and bore, and as you can see, the budget was around $5.7 million with a schedule of 2.5 months. There's limited space due to an open channel, as well as any equipment layout area. And Charlie will go into further detail about the soil impact the jack and bore method would have for this project.
Given the two options for the creek crossing, we first analyzed the jack and bore option and quickly realized that it would cause many issues. When looking at Nino and Moore's geotechnical report here on the left, we noticed that there was granitic rock at 27 feet under the surface. This creates many issues since we would have to go beneath that layer to cross under the canal. And because of the rock, we would also need specialized temporary structures to keep water from coming through the cracks, multiple pumps to keep the water out, and overall a much stronger way to bore through the rock. With this information, we came to a conclusion that the pipe bridge was much more inexpensive, feasible, and beneficial option with the added sidewalk width, and this is why we chose not to bore.
As Tiffany mentioned, we have determined that the prefabricated pedestrian pipe bridge would be the best solution. The cost for this option is much lower than jack and bore. Another perk is on-site construction will only take a couple of weeks, and our schedule includes the 2-month lead time for bridge fabrication. With this option, we can attain an envisioned sustainability rating of silver.
Here we have our traffic control plan. Steps will be taken to close one lane closest to the project area to provide room for construction work. Signs will be put up stating the sidewalk ahead will be closed for constructions, allowing pedestrians to cross sooner. Fortunately, this location is in a relatively industrial area, and we don't suspect much traffic from schools or residential communities. In addition, materials and equipment will be stored in a parking lot about 1,000 feet down Washington Avenue from the construction site. This parking lot is for Escondido World Marketplace and has a gate to enter, making it harder for the public to tamper with construction materials and equipment. To access the site from the staging area, workers will follow Washington Avenue until they make it to the project site. There will be no need to cross over lanes or cross over oncoming traffic, creating a safer environment for the workers.
The pipe bridge will be a Ward-style truss bridge topped with a graded deck connecting to the existing sidewalk at grade with the top of the bridge. The dimensions of the bridge will be 96 feet by 3 feet by 4 feet. The truss will include 3 points of connection, 2 at the ends of the truss, and 1 in the center using the existing foundation from the existing Washington Street Bridge. It is assumed that the existing structure can support the pedestrian bridge. The steel truss bridge will be prefabricated. Upon arrival, it will be in 2 separate pieces. That's our project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at Design Day.